Hey guys, Zach here, and in today's video we're gonna talk about what you need to know to start investing with cryptocurrency, how much money you can start with, is it safe, and how to pick a good cryptocurrency. More with that after the intro.
Can anybody out there hear me?
Hey guys, how's it going? Zach here. Welcome to this video, welcome to the channel. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get started. So the idea of investing in cryptocurrency has gained a lot of currency lately, especially during the Russian invasion of Ukraine, which has made its value of not being bank currency more critical. But what you need to know to start investing with cryptocurrency. First of all, it's very important to understand that picking a good cryptocurrency is not like picking a good stock. A stock represents ownership in a company that creates profits for its shareholders, or at least has the potential to do so. Owning a cryptocurrency represents ownership in a digital asset with zero intrinsic value. And what makes a cryptocurrency increase or decrease in price is simple: supply and demand. If there is increased demand and a limited supply increase, the price goes up and vice versa. So, when evaluating a cryptocurrency, the most important questions to answer are how the supply increases and what will drive demand for the coin higher. Anyway, how much money you need to start with? The answer to that is a little difficult to find. It depends on the risk you take and the research you make. There are possibilities of great gains. As you can see, Bitcoin is the best performing investable asset of the last decade, but it can also quickly tank, leaving you with nothing. Cryptocurrencies are exceptionally unstable. Bitcoin, for example, can drop 32% in a week and then skyrocket. So if you decide to buy cryptocurrency, the first thing you do is to choose a reputable exchange where you will buy, sell, and store your crypto. Answers for these questions: is it a publicly traded company? Who regulates it? How many users does it have? And how many cryptocurrencies does it offer? How easy is it for you to use? And what fees does it charge? But remember, crypto is very unpredictable, which is why most wealth advisors still recommend only investing a little in it, so you don't compromise your long-term goals if you lose it all. There is often news about scams, fraud, and people even forgetting their passwords. So there is more chance you can lose your money here than with more traditional investing. So if you like investing with cryptocurrency, comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.